Hey guys, it's AJ here. Today I have a new product. It's a new laptop. It's Acer Aspire 7 i5 10th generation laptop that I have right now. So I'll show you the outer look and the body design and the build quality of this laptop. So from top you have Acer branding and Aspire branding as well, and this is full plastic body. And at the bottom you have a air out vent and a speaker grills and a mounting pad. Okay, and you have small grooves. This is also plastic made. On the right side we have a air inlet and one charging port and USB 2.0 and headphone jack. And on the left side we have cognizant lock, Ethernet RJ45 port and HDMI port, USB type C port, USB C and two USB normal port. Okay, here we have nothing front. In the back side we have a heat vent here. So this is the hinge. As you can see here, this is a very nice build quality, I would say. So now I will open and show you how it looks from the inside. Okay, this is the inside view of this laptop. We have a fine keyboard here. We have a precision touch mouse pad here, and we have a 720p camera, and we have here the whatever the specification they have given, they have written here. We have that i5 10th generation sticker here, and it has a NVIDIA GeForce GTX processor. So the build quality is very good, I would say. That hinge design and the hinge quality is also nice. See, it's just normally wobbling, not that much, and the quality of this display is also nice. And yeah, it's a very around 3 to 5 years you can easily use it. The best part and the best feature of this laptop is, I'll show you. See, it goes back up to 180-degree. This laptop has a 512 GB of SSD, and it has a NVIDIA GeForce GTX1650 processor with 4 GB of dedicated GDDR6 VRAM, and it has 8 GB of RAM. And this keyboard is Acer Comfy View LED backlit TFT keypad, and it has a i5 Intel Core i5 10th generation processor. That is quite old, but it's fine. And so I have already used this product for around 1 week now. So my experience is quite good. So let's see how fast it will turn on when I turn it on. Okay, I'm going to click on power button now. 1 2 3. Okay, let's see. See, it takes around only within 10 seconds it will on. I'll share more about this laptop in the future. For to know more about this laptop, Please follow me on YouTube, subscribe. Yeah, thank you guys, have a nice day.